The dough, for challah?
Yes. So if in order, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find, but in order to say it with a blessing, so it must be 5 pounds, a little less than 5 pounds, almost 5 pounds of flour. So if somebody ever baked, so it's a lot. Unless you have huge family, that's a lot. So how many challahs, that depends on the size, but it's a lot. So some people would make, they want to do the mitzvah of challah with the blessing. So they would make more challahs and then freeze after they bake, right? So, I mean, that's also option. You would not need to bake every Friday, right? You can bake and use these challahs for the next month or so. And the second thing, if you want to, I need to give you exact number. I think it's 2.3 or 2.5, 2.5 or maybe or 2.7. I need to look up pounds without the blessing. So if it's less than that, there is no separation whatsoever. If it's more than 2. Something like I say more than 2.5, you separate but without the blessing. You understand? So the question is, are you obligated to separate? No, you're not obligated to separate. So if you have so much dough, then you would be obligated. But if you don't have so much, like you bake only few breads and it's like under 2 pounds, so that's it. You don't separate. Okay. Understand? Any other questions? Yeah, go ahead. Any other questions? Okay, so basically, just to finish this thought, there is some positive commandments that are out there, but we're not obligated to do them unless we are under such circumstances. For example, it says that there is a mitzvah to divorce your wife, so you're not obligated to divorce your wife to fulfill the mitzvah, right? But if you decide to like not to decide, if a circumstance like this have to divorce your wife, that's then you do accordingly. So if you don't have, for example, you're not obligated to eat meat. So, but if you decided to eat meat, you have to do it in a certain fashion. Or if you're going to have enough dough or enough like flour in the dough, so then you separate. Otherwise, you're not obligated. So, but as we said, some women and they put themselves in this situation that they separate. So it's praiseworthy, but not obligatory. Okay.